We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing food names too. Fruit names in particular, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say it? Well, there are two different ways of pronouncing it. One is the British English pronunciation, where it is said as apricot, apricot. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, it is usually said as apricot, apricot in American English versus apricot in British English. And now you know more videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will. After watching those, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.